Hey guys, this is your very first look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A91 smartphone. From the front, this device looks very similar to the existing Samsung Galaxy Note 10 thanks to the center-aligned punch hole display and slim bezels. On the rear, we see a curved glass panel and a squarish camera module that could house either triple or quad cameras, with expected configuration including a 48 megapixel primary sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, and a 5 megapixel telephoto sensor. Additionally, a periscope lens could also be included. Meanwhile, the punch hole display is said to include a 32 megapixel selfie camera. As far as expected specs are concerned, the Galaxy A91 could come with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. One of the variants is also said to come with 5G support. Other specs could include a Snapdragon 855 chipset paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. The phone is also said to house a 4500 mAh battery with support for 45-watt fast charging. Also, very interestingly, the Samsung Galaxy A91 could just launch as the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite in some markets. So that's all we know about this upcoming smartphone from Samsung. Thanks for watching.